I hope you are able to see my screen, Umar. Okay, good. Once again, afternoon, great afternoon. Fantastic. So maybe now, Gopi, already you are into manual and automation. And Umar, what is your convenient, Umar?
Hello, sir. Yeah, I'm into manual as well.
Yeah, you are already completed with manual from my side, correct? No?
Yeah, I already completed the manual with your side. Yes,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
correct.
So
Yeah.
now we are looking for automation, the AA testing, correct? Okay.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. Thank
Right.
you.
So Gopi also already manual and is very well versed automation tester and have a good experience over there. So I'm just going to then give the demo directly to AI testing. Okay. Fine, Gopi.
Yeah, fine, Anna.
Okay. Okay. Because normally for the other people who are coming as a fresh, no, then we will be taking level 1 as the manual testing and then level 2 with the AI testing. But now for you both, I'm directly considering the second layer. Okay. So first of all, now the current situation in the market, the current situation in the market is what is the trend? What is the skill set expectation in the market in the current situation, everyone? What is the skill set expectation in the current market? Any idea?
AI for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Okay. So
AI,
why
machine learning, deep learning.
under AI, machine learning, deep learning, so many verticals? Okay.
Oh,
So why suddenly AI came into picture? What is the reason? What is the reason? What is the reason?
Uh,
Uh,
quick results, uh, fast approach to work, and
okay.
less manpower,
Okay.
and
Okay.
yeah, so many positives.
So many positives, correct? No, fine. So sorry, before to that, maybe as you both are already into our track, I'm not done most of the things with respect to our about our IT talent hub and then with our projects and with our services, because you both are already very well aware of it. Okay, so that's what I skipped directly and going to the demo. Okay, so good. Okay,
Yeah,
fantastic.
definitely. We have a good knowledge of what you do and everything. So,
Exactly.
yeah, that's the reason why I actually wanted to have a one-to-one to
Will we talk?
basically look into
Definitely,
what
Gopi.
exactly I'm looking for, so that
Fine,
I don't
fine.
want to generalize this in this
No,
call,
no problem. No problem,
because
Gopi.
it doesn't
I
make
will talk to
any.
you. Yes,
Yeah.
I will talk to you, Gopi. We'll do that definitely.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you, Gopi. Thank you. Good. So now now the thing is coming up with related to everything. Most of the people are any job role, including developer or tester or any job role. Now, if you are searching, they are asking about AI. Why? As we spoke now, fast. Anything you are doing, we can do it fast. How? 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 Because it's already aware. We are already given the information. Using the available information, it is able to provide us. Okay. Suppose I want to prepare for my examination. I have to learn and then give the examination. Now the learning is already happened. If I'm asking something, direct answers. Agree? Yes. Now
yes,
what is the
yes,
layer
yes.
is crossed? The learning curve is crossed. Now, after the learning, only solution. Ask anything, I will provide you the solution. Correct? No? But again, it will be working with the layer of training and then giving the response. Okay. The AI also, it's right like our brain, human. Okay. But that will also has to be trained with a large number of data set. And then we can expect the responses. Agree? Yes. Okay. Right. So now if you are considering what are all the general level of AI. Okay. So here, okay. So I'm able to demonstrate with few, just we can understand a few things. Okay. So what is called AI? It's a artificial intelligence where it comes from the branch of computer science. This is also branch of AI is also branch of computer science. It's not like other than anything like mechanical or electrical. This is coming part of on top of the computer science. It's a branch of computer science. But again, what is the specification? Computer science that aims to create machine capable of performing task. What it will give? What it will give? It will give the machine capable of performing the task. Clear? Okay. But maybe till here I can able to say, this will be related to the regular software. So I'm explaining about something like this is what one of the now application. Okay, banking application. In the banking application we have something like a login. Okay, see here, KVB login. Okay, so here you are able to see by default now we have this particular icon. What is this icon? What it will do? What it will do? What is the purpose of this icon? What is the purpose? It's a support level, no? Okay, yeah, it's a help. It's a help content. How this will help? See here they are clearly mentioned your AI virtual assistant. Your AI virtual assistant. Already, suppose now you are asking some questions. What the question I have asked? Okay, can I get the support team phone number? Okay, so it's able to provide me with some information. Okay, what is the information? What is the information? So it should give me the which one? Font. See, right?
Customer support at kvbmail.com.
It's providing. How it's providing this information? Because already we are trained. Because already we are trained the application with related to this data. That's the reason it's able to understand. Suppose you are asking, okay, suppose you are asking something which is irrelevant of this one. Gopi, tell me something. Umar, tell me some question which we can ask where this doesn't relate to this particular banking application. Any question? Any question?
Sorry, it might sound a silly question, but 2
Yeah,
plus
please,
2.
please, Umar, please. Yeah.
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2. Okay. Right. That's it. No worries. 2 plus 2. We'll see what it is responding. But is it anything related here? No,
Don't know yet.
no.
I'll learn quickly.
So it is saying that I don't know what we are asking because it's not intended to do some calculation. Okay.
Yes.
So it doesn't have. So this is right. This is right. But
Right.
some related question, it should say that sorry, you should ask something properly. Okay. Suppose I'm typing something. Is this anything relevant?
No.
No. But for this, what is the answer we are expecting? It should say, please give or ask meaningful question.
Don't know yet. I'll learn quickly.
This is wrong answer. Do you can we say that or not? Because this is meaningful information. Okay, it can learn quickly, fine. But is this related information or meaningful information? For that, what it can learn? Okay, so this is not the right answer basically. Can we say or no? Gopi and Umar.
Yes, it's not
Yes,
the
okay.
right answer. For sure, yeah.
This one, for this one, it has to say, sorry, can you please provide a meaningful question or can you please rephrase the question? That's it.
Or can you ask a relevant question?
Relevant question. Exactly, Gopi, exactly. But even these people are, even previously there are n number of issues. Now slowly they are fixing. Okay. So like that, we have many number of, problems available here. Okay. Or we can say that always I cannot say that a problem. Even the people should understand thoroughly to test the chatbot or the application before they are deploying. Okay. So for that, now any application is coming along with the AI assistance or AI plugin. Giving me the answer, whatever I'm typing the question, how this is giving me the answer? How this is giving me the answer? Already I have typed something. Okay. So I said, hey, it said hello. Okay. Now I'm going to say, Okay, so I'm going to say something else. Okay, right. Tell me a joke. I will say, tell me a joke. Okay, so it's saying that. Okay, so why don't a skeleton fight each other? They don't have the guts, something. But even the same thing, you are already trained. If I'm asking these kind of questions, you should say this kind of relevant answer. Got it? Okay. But based on what type of answer also you are already trained. So relevantly here also, you are already trained the model, and based on your training, the response will be there. Clear? Okay. So everywhere, then it's a first of all training. Okay. So we are going to understand what is called a model, what are all the data, how to train the model, how to test the application. See here the application will come like this. See, basically here the application will come like this. We are going to see some of the sample application, how the application will be there, and how to take the different data, and how to also process the data, how to see the outcome. Okay. See, it will give the nicely on the data visualization. Okay, we have to understand the data, and then we need to clean the data, and then we have to convert. We have to convert as per our need, and then it will give you the your model prediction. See here, we are running with the logistic regression is one of the model, and based on the input data, it is giving some outcome, proper outcome. Okay, and also this will reflect like it's not like always 100% accuracy. What is the accuracy rate also? So this particular place it is correct, but this particular place it is even still done the mistakes. Out of 1,000 plus record executed, it is given these many correct answers, but these many wrong answers. Okay, so everything we are going to understand from the application perspective, and even this is nothing but the prediction of COVID. Okay, prediction of COVID symptom, because based on the real data from the hospital, they are taken the real data, and based on this data they are executing, and now we are giving the answer for this set of questions. Based on that, now the model is predicting this person is going to have the going to this person may have the COVID symptom or not. How? Based on the earlier data. Clear? So we are going to understand the project, and even we can understand what are all the things as a test engineer here. We have to understand about what is like this particular value, what are all the metrics we want to understand, and what is the requirement, and how to test, and how to correct the data. Okay, ML workflow, normally we'll call it as ML workflow. Okay, collect the data, clean the data, and train. Here you are doing the training, how this is able to understand. Okay, so here you are going to train the model. See here, you are going to train the model, and based on the training only, it can able to understand the content. See here, you are going to train based on this training only, it is able to understand. And after that, even we are testing how my model given the performance. So according to the training and the testing only, it is given the accuracy. So we will understand as an application, as a test engineer, what to understand, how to test the application, and basically what is a simple Python content we have to understand. It's not like directly you can start, and not too much needed, a minimal level of Python knowledge information. What is NumPy library, what is pandas, and how these are all useful for our ML applications we are going to understand. Till now, any doubt, please?
Sir,
Till now, any
for
doubt? Yeah,
training
please.
training this data, do we need to learn any language?
That's what I'm saying. Basic Python, what is needed for this particular ML language or for the project level, we are going to train you. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
You don't not to bother.
Thank
And another one is we are not the developer. We are a test engineer. We are basically here
Okay.
to understand the program and to run and then see the defect. Okay. We are not developing the code. Okay.
Okay.
But on the other way,
Thank you.
even it's not like completely black box testing, little bit on the white box testing. What is the code available? How to test? Okay. Clear?
Thank you.
Yes. So we are going to take care. And okay, fine. So till here you are fine, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are all we are going to cover, and even I will just directly go ahead. Okay. So even we have to understand like what are all the quality characteristics of AI application. If I'm developing some AI application, what are all those quality characteristics the AI application should have the basic things. Okay, so here already we are already having that particular one. Okay, so I will quickly go over this one. Okay, it should be integrity and flexibility, adaptability, and bias should not be there, ethics should be followed. Okay, these character also already available in the AI or not, we have to test. Okay, and then even I can go ahead with. Okay, so then even we are going with the, as I told, ML workflow. What is a ML and how we, the training testing are happening in the workflow, and what are all the functional performance metrics. This is called the functional performance metrics. Already from the application I have showed, no, this is the functional performance metrics. Once again, I will go ahead and show you. This is called functional performance metrics. Okay, so here we are able to see the metrics and the outcome. No? So based on this, we are going to see this based on this. Okay, see, I will demonstrate based on this particular calculation how exactly the model is behaving and what is the accuracy score or the quality score we are going to understand. Okay, then as human, here also the concept of neural network. Okay, how the neural network is applicable, and what are all the some of the theory part, how exactly you want to do the testing part with respect to the AI, we are going to cover. This is one side on the theoretical part, and the other side, even parallelly, we are going to understand about what is a project and how we are going to test the project. Okay, how we are going to test the project, we are going to. So we want to understand about how exactly we want to do the testing part with respect to the ML model. And this is the way they will also give the project. Either it will be through the application or through the project wise. So we will also aware of what is needed as part of Python library and how we will be doing the testing. And even the data factor will be either in the CSV file or from the database or from the cloud also. So we are having the same project, we will be configuring through the all the different data sources and we are going to validate. Clear? And this is how the simple chatbot or the application will work also, we are going to analyze. Till now clear, ma? Everyone, please. Any doubt, any questions? Any doubt, any questions? And as part of our training, we are also going to understand like how we are going to test the AI ML related application, and also how the AI is helpful for our testing. In this case, what is the point we can able to talk? How AI is helpful for our testing? Now, do you think that everyone are writing their own test cases? Do you think now everyone are writing their test cases? What they are using? What they are using?
They're
They are
definitely using
simply
AI.
AI, using AI
simply the
tools.
AI tools to write the test case. Any AI LLM, you can just type that this is the application, this is the functionality. Give me the test cases, it will provide. But only now one thing we want to understand is if you are asking common, it will give common response. Even you have to understand how exactly I have to create my prompt to respond it. You can say, yeah, you should be there in this stage to give me the answer. It will be there in that stage to give the answer. If you are not given, it will be giving the simple answer. Got it? Okay. So you can make the AI also to be in that state to give the response. Clear? Agree or not? Okay. But now you can writing the test case or whatever is very easy for you. Within some couple of minutes, you can write n number of test cases. Okay. So how AI is useful for our testing. Maybe here for you, just even I have some sample. Okay. See here, you are able to see the Jira. Okay. Even, okay. So here in the Jira also now see, okay. So I will go with one of the place. Okay. So now I'm in Jira. Okay. So I will go to Krishna project one. Okay. So here, suppose create this case for login. So created one second. Okay. Let's just remove and recreate. One second. One moment more. So here I'm just going to create some test case. Okay. So now this is the requirement. Example, I'm just going to create one requirement in this particular, in the sprint. Okay. In the sprint, I'm going to create one requirement. What is the requirement? Okay. So any requirement, maybe you can say that a purchase order. I can say that a purchase order example. Okay. Right. Now I will go with the board. I'll go with the board. Okay, now I'm creating a requirement called, story. Okay, I'm creating a requirement called select sprint, current sprint. Okay, yes, not a problem. Any requirement, tell me anyone simple requirement, anyone simple requirement, any simple requirement, registration, login, I have already given. Any other requirement? Can I give purchase order? Create purchase order?
Yes, Anna, yes.
Yeah,
Forgot
please.
my email.
Sorry,
Forgot my
forgot. Okay,
password.
forgot password. Forgot. Okay. Got it? Okay. Yeah, forgot password or any application, not only email application, any application. Forgot password in e-commerce application. Okay. Anything. Fine. Okay. Right. So now, okay, this is also like medium or high. I will make it as high and I'm creating it. Okay. So I have already selected in this print only. I have already selected in this print only. Forgot password. Okay. Right. Story. Right. So now this will be created KP2 15 here. Forgot ecom application password. Okay. So now this is the story created. This is the story we are created. For this story, we have to write the test case. We have to write the test case. Already I have included one of the plugin. Okay, what plugin? That plugin is called bulk AE test case generated. It's a plugin for Jira. I'm going there to the bulk AE test case generator. Okay, it will give me the option. Okay, for which requirement you have to write. For which requirement you have to write. Select the sprint. I'm selecting sprint 1. Okay, because that is the sprint already we are taken. Okay, now where is your requirement? KP 15. This is the one of forgot password. I'm selecting this. Okay, so generate test case. Generate test case. Okay, so now by default this plugin is creating the test case. Now it started. Okay, now it is started generating the test cases. Then it will show that linking the test cases. So now the thing is there are n number of facility for you to make your life simple. Got it? See, linking new test cases. Okay, within couple of minutes, your test cases related to forgot password ecom application is ready. Linking new, whatever. See, it will show that completed. Go here. This is a one. No, go here. See, now see, these many test cases are written. These many test cases are written in short period. Written in short period. So see here. Go here. Okay. So now I will go here. One second. This. See, this is the test case, no? So who written this test case? Who written this test case? AE plugin written the related test case. Correct? Navigate to the forgot password page on the e-commerce application. Click this one, do this. Okay, so it's created. Even you can ask more test cases or enhance the test cases. Everything is now possible. Everything is now possible. Clear? Yes, this is one aspect. Another aspect. Now, the similar way, even lot of other tools are coming up for execution and regression test enhancement and n number of tools. Okay, if you are going in the Jira plugin, you can just search that AI related application. N number of plugins are available. One part. Clear? Till now, clear? How AI is useful for our testing. Okay. Then next one. Anna, I want to write some automation test. Okay. Yes. In that two ways. One is you can write your own way. You can write your own way. Another one, you can write it in the mm, in the AI plugin. First we'll see to write in the AI plugin. Okay, to write in the AI plugin. Okay, test rigger. Okay, what is this? Generative AI based test automation tool, test rigger. Okay, so here I have already created my account. I'm just logging in. Okay, I'm logging in. Already I have my content. Okay, so just say login. Okay, fine. So already I have one small simple application, my contact form application. Maybe many people are aware of my contact form application. This is my application. Easily I need to navigate here, and I got to click on this one, and I able to give some information in this page. Simple test automation. Okay. So here already I created, because to save my time. Initially you have to give the URL and the detail. And then after that also it's not a rocket science. So you have to just simply go ahead and I will edit and show. Okay, edit test cases. Okay, you have to just understand the keyword, how to write the simple English, like simple sentence here. Even it will give the suggestions. If I'm writing, click simple sample form. Okay, that's what I have done in that page. And then enter this detail. See here, 1 second, I will show you. My contact form. Okay, I'm saying that click on this particular sample forms, and after that enter enter sample application, form into subject. In subject, I'm asking that particular information, this text to be entered, and enter ABC123 in email address. So I'm giving some instruction to follow here to enter, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just saying as a keyword and English like sentence. Now I'm just running this one. See here, enter this particular drop down checkbox or whatever. Okay, then now I'm just saying that save and retest. Even you can close, no problem, because I'm not doing anything here. No other application running. See here, nothing. Okay, so if I'm running this particular one, by default, this will take care of the creating into automation script and running and providing with the screenshot evidence. Okay, see here, save and run. Okay, see, save and retest. Clear? Now what it is doing, what it is trying to do now, we are getting the, see here, saved and retest. Sorry, I want to show here. It started. Okay, see here, the timestamp. 1 o'clock 53, yeah, same time. See, right? Okay. So all the related screenshot are came up. See, agree? Initial screen, this application. Next screen, sample form. Okay, see here. Then entering the information. See here, entering all the information. Then after that, these are all this checkbox, whatever completed. That's it. Final screenshot. Okay. But are we written any automation test for this? Tell me, ma, please.
No.
No, but we are used the tool, but the tool itself written the automation script, and then it is executed and giving the screenshot, including the screenshot. This is the level now the market trends is moving on. Got it? We are not written anything. Anything. Okay. Now coming to the another way. Okay. But honestly, we are not going to train you completely into the script automation. Okay, because again this is a separate channel, but we are going to understand how simple way of you can understand the minimal Python language and create the simple framework, maybe for login or for any of the simple framework with respect to the AI related plugins. Okay, so that's what once again I'm saying. Anna, are we covering in depth on the Python training with the Python automation using PyCharm? Means no. But on the other way, you are becoming familiar with how to use my AI tools and plugins and how to write my automation script to run. Got it? Okay. Suppose the same thing I can ask the now. This is the same. Okay, so here, what is application I have taken here? One second. See, one. Yeah. So you are able to see. Okay. So this is simple. Okay, this is the simple framework created from. This is the simple framework created behave framework. There we will call it as a BDD. BDD is a behavior driven. In Python related framework, we will say that behave. Okay. So same behavior driven development BDD framework. Okay. But for the login screen, for the login page, okay, for the SaaS demo application, we are created. So this particular application, do you think that including all the structure and to run this particular project, how much time we are taken? How much time I have taken for this? Anyone can guess? If really you want to do through the automation by creating all the folder structure, all the script, how many days you will take? Minimum you will take 4 to 5 days. Minimum you will take. Minimum you will
4 to
take.
1 week. 5
Minimum
working
they will
days.
give one. Minimum they will give 1 week or 3 to 4 days. Minimum. I'm saying very much minimum. But this
Not automation, half an hour.
Sorry.
With AI,
Sorry.
half an hour.
Half an hour, 45 minutes maximum, including by I'm showed to the student and creates and also half an hour or 45 minutes maximum. Less than 1 hour, your script is ready to run. Got it? Huh? Less than 1 hour, your script is ready to run. So where we are? Where we are? See the situation. See the situation. How exactly we are using the, how exactly we are using the, how exactly we are using the AI facility. How exactly we are using the AI facility. Can you able to sense the our progress and growth? Got it? Huh? How much the advantage for from our side? How much the great advantage from our side? Clear, Amma? Okay. Even the problem. Okay, Anna, there is a problem here. There is a problem here. Okay, maybe I will try to solve it. Suppose here I'm done some problem here. Okay, you can. This is the one. What we have installed? Copilot. Okay.
Copilot.
So Copilot. Now this Copilot AI is already integrated here. Any mistakes here? Any mistake here? Okay. Any mistake here? What you have to do? What you have to do? Okay. Suppose now I'm just doing something. Now I'm just something. I'm just removing something or doing something. Okay. So here. Okay. Dot. Okay. So there is a error here. Okay. So now even you are not understanding or how to fix or any other challenge, any other change. Okay. So now you are saying page dot something. Okay. Page dot some ABC you are passing. Okay. But this is not available. Even you can ask. Okay. Git Copilot reference to the file to the chat. Reference file to the chat. Okay. Oh, sorry. GitHub. Then this will review the code and it will suggest, hey, this is the mistake you have to correct. Got it? So now the situation is not like a previous. You have to struggle and fix the problem or the issues because you have your assistant. Who is your assistant? Who is your assistant?
AI, machine learning.
AI is your assistant. That will take care. Anna, no, Anna, I'm not able to use Copilot. Whatever the error message coming here, copy paste to your whatever the chat GPT or any other AI supportive LLM. It will provide you the response. It will provide you the response. Got it? Sorry, maybe it is taking some time to connect. Sorry for that. So it's very easy now using the AI trend. And now, like as Gopi also said previously, suppose if I'm doing some activity for 1 month, the same activity is possible to complete within a couple of days. That's what the market expectation. And we should be also going forward into it. So what is AI? What is AI application? What is the minimal of ML and what are all the algorithm and how to test the application? What is a chatbot? And what are the testing approach for AI? Some theoretical part also there, not some many theoretical part also there, and some of the projects also available. And how to develop the like automation plugin, okay, and then how to create the regular automation script using AI tools. And then the another one is like Three things we are understood, correct? No? Automation, directly AI tools, and then automation using AI plugins. Got it? Clear? Yes. Any doubt, ma? Any doubt? Sorry, maybe it is taking time. Okay. Any other doubt, ma? Any other doubt? Any questions for me, please? Any questions? Any doubt? Yes. Please. Everything will be available, readily available. Everything will be readily available for you. Everyone have a great afternoon. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Madip.